Ní cruireann lom cén uair a thosaigh mé ag dabhsaí, bhí mé ag dabhsa riamh. My first memories of dancing in the kitchen are probably in my mother's arms, maybe even before we could walk. We were up at my grandparents' house. There was always music and people coming to the house playing, and that's kind of my first memories of dancing and seeing my mother dance. I guess it's the freedom in it that gives me great grow for it. We never called it sean-nós dancing growing up. It wasn't what we labelled it. It was just get out and do some steps, Edwina, or batter the floor, or some of the older generation would say, you know, you're a great young one for knocking sparks. There's lots of artists in many different art forms that I look up to, but to go back to my roots, I guess my biggest influence were my parents and my grandparents. They gave me my love of the land and nature and our culture and traditions and I guess our story. But I also really look up to, and I'm driven by the children that I work with. You know, one child starts dancing out in the yard in school and two more join in, and suddenly 30 of them are at club next week, and they take it on all so effortlessly and then share it so generously with everybody. I'm also working on a project called Sowing the Seed with the mummers. It's all about the tradition of the mummers or the straw boys or ran boys, and then we're trying to create new groups in the community again and revive it in this area. I'm always telling the children at the club, everybody danced years ago. It was a way of socialising and it was a way of life, and I think it's come full circle again and everybody's dancing again.
She lives the tradition and the culture and she brings it to life.
She's put Leitrim on the map, hasn't she? For County Leitrim, she has put it on the map.
She's so creative and the children bring it home. They love what they're learning. She's a massive asset to have. We're so lucky that we live in the same county.